This is a good game. Chiefs beat their ass.
Yeah, I think that's.
They played good. They went to the Kansas City and Seahawks. They went to the Kansas City and Seahawks. They were going to the Rams and
Watch some of that
Seahawks
dish.
next week.
That's the rivalry game.
Like, is there a rivalry game?
That's Seahawks.
It's like perfect.
Even though they're not.
Yeah,
They're
they're-
not division. I think
I'm just going to watch the gold back. No, there's a lot more.
No, they just. You want some more?
They're what's it made with?
Vinegar and hot pepper. But they're in the same division though. 49ers.
I'm going to wear my OU jersey.
Are you?
From Bradford.
Oh, you? Yeah, they made it to BCS Bowl this year too. That's
Yeah.
fine. UConn. We made it to one too.
Yeah.
And Ohio State.
I forget who OU's playing.
UConn.
Oh.
UConn couldn't never made it. They lost no time.
It's like a big bug. It is.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
They won the East, right? You take some pickles?
Yeah.
Or
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty good.
Do you like football?
probably good.
I don't even know. It's spicy, girl.
Those so good.
You should have brought more of that. This is a big ass bowl.
Cool.
I should have brought more.
Are you the exit?
No, I don't know.
Oh, you got someone, didn't you?
They're really good. We're all like,
Oh.
yeah, I should make you all one of stuff. I'm going to have to make you
What just happened?
Is there pickles in there? No.
No, these are cucumbers and vinegar and hot pepper.
It's too hot, huh? It's okay. Hold it. Babe, it's hot. Did you just put them in a jar? Did you put a jar? Oh, no way.
But they're just
It's almost like a kinky bake with extra vinegar.
Is it just white vinegar or like a red vinegar? No.
Yeah, white vinegar. Yeah, and some chili peppers. It's kind of weird aftertaste. Yeah, like kimchi.
Like a rotted cabbage? Yeah. That's what that is?
The pickled cabbage.
No.
It's kimchi bake.
Oh.
I can't do kimchi. I haven't actually tasted it in a long time, but I know when I worked at the little teriyaki spot that used to be a company. Oh, yeah. Oh, from the Gotcha. Yeah, whatever it was. But it's not there anymore. But they would have the big jars and put them out. It's big, really bad, but no bad so good.
Why do you think about it? You like cheese?
Blue cheese? Oh, you didn't like it?
I like hard blue.
Whoa. Oh, blue cheese is made of mold.
Here's a big one. Somebody will like it.
I don't like blue cheese.
I like the crumbled
I
blue
like
cheese.
it.
I can eat it, but I can't eat it like when it's bland.
I like that one.
Some pie.
No, I like it when whenever has salads or like when it's a flavor on something, but when it's just fresh salad, I could not put it in.
You can't eat it with that dressing.
Oh, just a little bit. Not the blue cheese dressing. Boundary has the blue cheese for the bread. On over top of the sun, then you pour it on your back, bomb.
I tell you what.